Hello friends, I bring you a video on how to do sector analysis. Why is sector analysis important? Uh, Sector analysis is important because you want to be taking your long and short trades in a sector which is likely to go in the direction that you're thinking of. If you're doing intraday, then it's fine either way, long or short, or FNO, it's the same thing. But if you're taking swings in equity, you cannot be entering a sector where the sector itself is going down and you're going long because you can't take shorts in equity trading, right? Because you can only go long. So while you can do shorts in FNO and intraday, uh, you but those who are basically doing swing in equity need to basically enter into a sector where your sector is bullish. So, and then you have to find stocks in the sector that are bullish. They'll give you an increasing probability of being profitable besides the proper entry, the time frame, and your exit criteria. Now, before I delve into that, I want to talk about my trading community. Let's Make Money Trading Hub. It's a community where I will teach you how to do price action trading. I will teach you how to do intraday, swing, how to manage your risk. I'll cover the basics of trading and then advanced price action techniques, which will help you increase your probability, help you understand market structure, how to enter, how to exit, how to set your stop loss, and understand what you're doing. And this will help you increase your probability of becoming consistently profitable and making money. Now, let's get back to the job at hand. And I've got my indexes watch list, and I've got a variety of indexes here, like you can see, Nifty Media and other indexes. Now, before we start doing sector analysis, let's go to the parent. The parent basically meaning, let's go to the Nifty 50. Now, if you see the Nifty 50, I'm on the daily time frame, and if you see the Nifty was in an uptrend till 26 September 24, and then what you've seen is the price has gone down, tried to retrace the bulls fought back, but they didn't succeed, and currently the Nifty is down below the long-term moving average, the EMA 200, on a daily time frame. Now, when we are doing sector analysis, there's no point looking at the daily. This is just to uh, guide you in that I've started with the daily. What you need to do is look at the weekly and the monthly. Now, since I'm shooting this on a Saturday, so and it's on a Saturday, so 1 week has elapsed. So currently we are in the second week. So let me zoom in. So I can go for the weekly analysis. Now, if you see here, I've drawn the fib retracement, and it's basically done on a daily. You can do it on a weekly or a monthly also. Now, what we see here is that if you look at at the weekly time frame, Nifty has gone down by 2.39% on a weekly basis. And if you see monthly, right, in what will happen here is these two candles, the first week and the second week, will wrap up in the monthly. Whenever you look at it, you can look at it on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now, what I'll do is if I do a retracement from this swing low to this swing high, and now I'm on the monthly. Please note, if you if I zoom in on the monthly time frame, Nifty has been going down October, November, December, and January till date. Right, we are in Jan 25, and Nifty is what's happening here is a bearish Maribuzu, and you have a bearish doji. Again, you have doji like candles And what we can clearly see is that there is a lot of selling pressure and things are not looking good, right? Things are not looking good, but we are still, but if you look at it from another point of view, we are still to retrace even 23.6% from the highs at a monthly level. If you look at it from the weekly level, then this fib, if you look at it from the monthly level, we've drawn it on the monthly, but if you make it weekly, it's still good, right? It seems we are taking support on the we're taking support on the EMA 50. Now, why I said this is the mother or the father? Well, this is broadly representative of the top 50 stocks. And you can also look at the Nifty 500 if we have it here. Yeah, let's look at the Nifty 500. I'm going to daily. We can see the Nifty is down. It's close below the major moving average. Look at it on a weekly basis, and you have a 4% down, right? And it's a bearish Marabozu. And if you see the lows and the close and the open and the high, things are not looking good. And it's taken support at, if you look at the EMA 50 21,810, so it's closed below that. You zoom below, it has closed below that. So things are not looking good in the market, and it can so happen. And let's see here. Nifty 500, which is the 500 top stocks, right, in the Indian market on the NSE, things are not looking good. If you look at the RSI also on a weekly basis, it's clearly in a downtrend. The market, broad-based market, seems to be in a downtrend. So what do we do here? We will start looking at on the we'll start looking at it on the weekly time frame. We can basically go for monthly, and if we see here that Nifty media is in a clear range. See here, Nifty is in a clear range and has gone up to this level and it's not able to break this resistance here. So we look at it from the monthly point of view, which will give us the correct, which will give us a correct indication, because monthly will work on any day. If you're going weekly, then you'll have separate candles, but then you must do it at the weekend, not in the middle of the week. So what we have here is you have a resistance here, and this was resistance, then it's turned support breakthrough, and price is clearly, the media, Nifty media is not doing well. So if you take a stock in Nifty media, and if you're going long in swing equity, chances are that you're going to blow up your account. Not going to look at the gift Nifty. I'm going to look at, there's no point looking at the Singapore exchange right now. Looking at Nifty 50, Nifty Pharma, price was in an uptrend, but it's gone into a range here again as well. Again a range, again down. And since Nifty has been going down, like I said, the mother load, right? You will find that most indexes are going to be bearish. And if you see here, Nifty commodities is also going down, 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 down. It's broken below the 20-day EMA on a monthly level, which doesn't augur well for commodities. This doesn't mean that every commodity will be bearish. But what it means is that Nifty commodities, which consists of many commodities, most of them will be bearish, because this is a composition of all the commodities, right? So you can't be thinking of going long in this sector. Nifty metal. Let's look at Nifty metal. Again, you have a double top here, and Price is close below the price is close below the 20-day moving average. There's selling pressure plus it's a bearish candle. Things are not looking good either. And you have a double top. Now let's look at Nifty Bank. If you look at Nifty Bank, it was fine until a few months back, but now it's also gone into a range. But it's yet to break or close below the EMA 20. So at least that's good, right? Let's look at Nifty MNC. Again, no joy. And can you see the wick on this one? Let me zoom in. Can you see the wick on this one? This is a selling pressure. Selling pressure. Obviously, it's red, but that's fine. On top of that, it's almost like a gravestone doji, a small one at that. Nifty Auto. Nifty Auto is trying to recover. Nifty Auto is trying to recover. Although there is selling pressure, it's gone 0.8% up, 183.75 points up from the start of the month till date. And this is obviously trading sessions, right? So it's trying to fight back. Look at it on the daily, and you will see that this is going down on the daily time frame. Gone down on a daily time frame, but if you look at it on the weekly, it's gone down again as well. But since this is a green and this is a red, you have a combo here showing the 0.8%, but at least there is some fight back. 500 we saw, no need to see the 200. Let's look at Nifty consumption. Nifty consumption again. As I said, right, since the Nifty 500 and the Nifty 50 are in a downtrend, you will find there's a chance you'll rarely find something going up, if at all. FMCG, again, some sort of fight back, just 0.56% up, but at least there is a fight back. So if you're going long, you should go in long in sectors where there is a fight back and the sector is going up. And of course, your stock should also be going up. You cannot be going long because the sector is going up and the stock that you choose is going down. Please don't make that mistake. To increase the probability of success, go for a sector on the up move and a stock on the up move, right? And Nifty CPSE. As you see, things are not looking good. Nifty had a good run, but now it's bleeding. And let's see how long it bleeds and how much it bleeds. At what level does it stop? Look at the PSU Bank, 6085, right? 6085 is closed below the EMA 20, which is 6,102. So this is also not looking good. Look at Nifty Reality. I'm removing all the fib retracements because they were done on a daily, but we're looking at the monthly. So don't use a fib retracement drawn on the daily and then switch to the monthly because it's going to basically spoil your thinking. You're going to get different readings and it's going to confuse the hell out of you and give you wrong signals, right? And look at this, a nice bearish Marabuzu, 8.4%, 8.46% down. That's hell of a lot, right? Compared to the others, this is bleeding much more badly. Look at this, 7. Look at PSE, 4. The reality is like, my God, it's around 8.5 down. Nifty IT. Now this is the silver lining on a dark sky, if you will. What you had here was you had something like a gravestone doji, and it could have become an evening star, but it hasn't. You have 2.93% up when the other sectors are going down. So this clearly shows you that there is a lot of strength in IT. At the moment, till date, no guarantees what will happen. All stocks in this sector may not be going up, some will go down. But since this is a composite, if you're planning to go long, you should go for Nifty IT based on your setup. And there I've covered all the indexes that I have at my disposal. And I hope you've learned something new on how to do sector analysis, because when you go for a stock, right, where the sector is in upswing, your stock is in upswing, and you have a good trading setup, so you have things that are slowly piling in your favor to increase the probability of a profitable trade, because there are no guarantees. There is no holy grail. You may learn whatever you want from the best guru in the universe. You can still make a loss, but as long as your risk reward ratio is good, your profitability is good, you will continue to be a successful trader. So, as I told you, I have a trading community, and if you're really serious about trading, then you should put in your time and money for learning how to trade properly in a systematic manner. Because without proper mentorship and learning, and without collaborating with a bunch of traders, you're not likely to be successful, because YouTube can only take you so far. I'm also offering value on YouTube, but you did go to school and colleges for education, right? You didn't do your schooling or your graduation on YouTube. So it's the same here. So I hope you got a good learning. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like button, download my videos, share it with the people who are serious about trading. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in the next.